Hey guys, Tank here. Look at that, there's something weird with these tires. They've been cut and re-glued. These are actually the RC 4-wheel drive Z T0072 Roadie super wide 1.7 inch commercial 1/14 scale semi-truck tires. They've been done for this project. This is a project that GCM Racing got from somebody else, I'm not too sure who, but then I picked it up and started working with it. Now, see how the wheel really covers the wheel well good? And they're nice and narrow tires, these tires. They're actually 1.7 tires stretched out to fit on a 1.9 rims. Now, to do this, you do have to cut the tire. This is a very long wheelbase truck. It has well over 15 inch of wheelbase for this truck. And it's to pull a very nice big long trailer. It is a 2-wheel drive truck, but this is the dually that I've made for the back of the truck. I wanted to have the wheels inside the truck so that it would look really nice. So link up above to the Poor Man dually wheels. Very good and informative little video. So here is basically how I've done that. You can tell that the rim from a 1.7 and a 1.9 are really not the same size. And these tires are hard to actually stretch over the rims. There's no way you're going to stretch a tire like this. So basically, first you have to cut the tire. And then you fit it over the 1.9 rim. That's going to permit you to actually know exactly how many threads or how thick you can actually cut that tire. So just take the tire, cut it right in half, not in half, but only one side, and then fit it on the tire. Then you can put it on top of the other tire, and it's going to tell you how where to cut it. Now, once you finish cutting it, you can actually just start gluing it. You just glue it right on the tire with the same thread or not, doesn't matter. But you just use normal CA glue to glue it. I use actually a medium glue, but you can actually use, I would have used a thicker glue. It's better. Do not use a very thin glue because it's going to cause you trouble. So the thicker the glue, the better for this type of application anyways. And then there you go. You have your tire that now can fit on a 1.9 rims. So I hope this helped you. And here's real quick how I did my dually as quick reference. Now these are going to be the wheels for the dually that I'm missing on my toy hauler. When I got the kit from Chris at GCM Racing, I only had 5 tires, so I could only do one dually on one side. So I theoretically had to buy a set of tires and actually just cut one and to put the piece there, and now this is junk and this is junk. So this is going to be my dually, and this is the way I do my dually. It works perfectly on thin tires for the dually to actually come inside, and it doesn't screw up your wheelbase on the width. So there is a short video, link above, to this, how to do it and how I've done it. So it's pretty simple. You take 2 plastic, they have to be plastic, so you got to glue them. You take out the inner gut of the rim, and then where it's the deeper part in the inside of the rim, that's where this ring goes. And this is just a 1.5 inch tube pipe that I've cut, PVC pipe, and you just squeeze that in there, and then this one squeeze on it, and you have yourself a dually wheel, and then there's your hex. Now this only works on thin tires, because if your tires are too thick, then it's going to make everything thicker, and it won't work because you're going to scrub on the inner link. Well, I'm going to glue them together and finishing this bad boy off. I guess I gotta tie that car up there. That is full speed. With a 65 turn motor. Full speed ahead. Go try it in the grass. And soon we'll be checking the motor to see if it's hot. Now let's check the motor, see if it's hot. So I've ran this for about 3 minutes, almost full blast, and the motor is not even hot. So it should be fine for the crawl. The battery is going to go under the seat here. Right now I put it there because I've got to do an extension, but the battery will be going under the seat. Putting a steering wheel, might put lighted dash, I don't know. But that's the Dinky RC Honcho interior. To the crawl, I'm probably going to be the urban crawl. I'm probably going to bring this fast little car. It's got a 7.5 brushless, censored, and my little truck to actually do crawling. But I will be attaching these with bungee cords, little tiny bungee cords, so that they don't move. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.